Want to learn how to add an email address to your Roblox account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on the 3.8 straight line inside a circle in the bottom right corner. Scroll down. Tap on Settings below Create. Tap on Account Info on the top. You can see that under this account info, you have an option of editing your display name, username, password, and adding your phone number, email address, and the list goes on about your personal info. Since we are trying to add email address, tap on Add Email on the right corner into this email address section. The account email will not change until the new email has been verified. So tap on Add My Email and enter the email address that you want to use for this account. When you're done, tap on Add Email below. You can see that an email has been sent for verification. Tap on OK. I need to verify this particular account, so I'm going to go back to my own email address. You can see on the top, I do have a notification from Roblox for email verification. Tap on Roblox to verify your email address. Tap on Verify Email. You can see that. Thank you, your email has been verified. Enjoy the free hat. That's it. This is how you add an email address and verify it on your Roblox account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.